Hello everyone, I am here to deliver the speech of women empowerment. Our Indian culture gives a good respect to the women. Most of our gods are females, they have been worshipped as a deity by many faithful people. Women are epitome to the wealth and power. Women plays a vital role in the society. The whole family depends upon the women for their family needs. They play the role of mother, as a teacher, as a doctor, as a homemaker, as a cook, as a nurse. All the needs they can fulfill. The life of women is very hard. She plays a very crucial role and very important role in the society. Even though she works hard, there is no recognition in the society. There is no appreciation in the society. Sometimes there is little appreciation is there, but there is a lot of lack of appreciation. We have to recognize the women in the society. Then only our nation get developed. The nation is still in developing stage. Why? Because there is a lack of women empowerment. What is gender discrimination? Gender discrimination is treating both male and female unequally. For example, coming to the education point of view, if you want to send a boy child to the school, the family get encouraging to send the school. But coming to the female child education, the family trying to say to stay at home and do household works. And next, coming to the employment, there are division of jobs are there. The people believe that certain jobs are prepared only for male. Those are not prepared for the female. Then the economy of the women get decreases. These type of discriminations are there in the society. So we have to create the awareness in the society in the nearby areas by conducting several programs with the help of the media event for the girl child. And the next thing is domestic violence. What is domestic violence? Domestic violence is the violence is done by the family members, is committed by the people. The violence committed by the people, by their own family members or friends, relatives, etc. in their domestic areas. Most of the domestic violence cases occurs in the Middle East and the certain areas. The domestic violence impact on the society is, there is a weakness of the nation occurs. For example, the children witnessing violence is against their parents. And they try, and the difficulties find that they doesn't trust the adults in the future. And the effect of domestic violence is the people get emotionally disturbed. They get into the depressed. So many people are there, so many women are there suffering from abusive marriages as they are not empowered. They fear to stand on their own rights. So domestic violence is the most important thing. We have to eliminate this one. Then only the nation get empowered. And next, coming to the next point of view, economic independent. We have to provide a good education to the female. If you are not providing a good education, or if you provide a poor education, then the women stay at home or do less payable jobs. Then the family depends upon the male income. Then they are not becomes economically independent. They becomes economically dependent on the male. So we have to provide a good education. There is one thing is there, women education. Women education is more important. Education is a very important in the society to develop the nation. Education plays a crucial role. In so many areas, they are still ignoring the girls' education. If you educate the women, they have access their own rights and duties. Everyone have a right to educate. If you educate, we not only get the knowledge, we also get the self-confidence and self-esteem. Education provides a better knowledge. If you are not educated, then we have to struggle in our lives. Education puts everyone on their own foot. This is very important. Especially our girls need to stay on our own foot. So we have to study. Education is the key to unlock the world. Education is the weapon in the society. So we should provide the women education. We should appreciate for the female education. We should encourage the female education. We should provide good resources for the education. And next, coming to the women decision makers. We should accept the women as a decision makers, because women can make a difference. They can bring the benefits to the society. The Inter-Parliamentary Union has found that the women politicians are there. Women politicians give more attention to the social welfare and it gives the legal protection also. they give more attention towards the social welfare and the legal protection and improve the trust. So we have to give the opportunities in the financial and economical decisions by the women. This is the important thing. So if you empower the nation, then first you should empower the women, then only the nation get empowered. If you educate the women, then the whole family get educated. This is the thing we should remember. And next, what my conclusion is, the government and NGOs should make the efforts towards the women empowerment by conducting the several programs, by conducting the several schemes, by introducing the several schemes for the empowerment. There is no tool for the development of the country more important than the women empowerment. So we should empower the women by eliminating the gender discrimination, by eliminating the domestic violence, by introducing the economic independence, and by introducing the education to the women. By this we overcome lot of problems and the nation get developed. Thank you everyone. If you like this speech, then support me and give me a like for this video.